How's everybody doing today? This is Jamil Mason with Better Health and Nutrition. I want to continue on with the things that have to do with natural male enhancement. Today, I want to talk about actually nitric oxide. Basically, everything that I've talked about so far has to do with the body, helps the body increase the production of nitric oxide. Almost every type of cell in the human body produces nitric oxide. It is one of the most important molecules for blood vessels. Is a vasodilator, which means it relaxes the inner muscles of your blood vessels, causing the vessels to widen and increase blood flow and lower blood pressure. Supplements can have uh, compounds your body uh, needs to make nitric. The inability of the body to achieve or maintain an erection firm enough for sex is erectile dysfunction. L-citrulline is an amino acid that possibly help with erectile dysfunction by increasing the production nitric acid. Before we talked about two other things, L-arginine and also ginkgo biloba. Although L-arginine is the one that's the amino acid, ginkgo biloba is another herb, which is needed for the muscles in the penis to relax and allow the chambers in the penis to fill with blood so the penis. Studies have shown that the L-citrulline can improve erection in men with a mild erectile dysfunction. Although L-citrulline is less effective than prescription drugs like Viagra, L-citrulline proved to be safe and well tolerated. L-arginine and pycnogenol, an extract from the pine tree, are two other supplements that boost nitric oxide. Studies have shown that L-arginine and pic, pic, pycnogenol significantly improve sexual function in men and appear to be safe when taken together. Uh, L-citrulline malate, a form of L-citrulline, can decrease muscle soreness along with increasing nitric acid production. Muscle soreness from exercise, strenuous and unaccustomed to, is referred to as delayed onset muscular soreness, and it is strongest 24 to 72 hours after exercise. Studies have shown that citrulline melanate reported 40% less muscle soreness than those who did not take it. The increase in the blood flow is thought to also increase the delivery of nutrients and the removal of waste, related to fatigue, lactate, and ammonia. Impaired ability to lose nitric oxide is also thought to be the reason for high blood pressure, which occurs. Force of the blood pushing through the walls of your arteries is high constantly. Over time, it can lead to heart and kidney disease. A diet high in fruits and vegetables can lower the risk of disease by lowering blood pressure. Nitrate is found in the beetroot and in uh, dark leafy greens like spinach. Your body converts it to nitric acid, causes blood vessels to relax and dilate to lower blood pressure. Flavonoids also have been shown to improve blood pressure. They have powerful antioxidant effects and are found in fruits and vegetables. Flavonoids increase the production of nitric oxide and decrease its breakdown, many scientists believe. People with type 2 diabetes have improved nitric oxide production. Studies show that people with type 2 diabetes who took L-arginine, that their nitric oxide production is increased, led to increased insulin sensitivity, which allowed for better blood sugar control. So, with this today, what I want is I talk to you about nitric acid. Some of the benefits are not just erectile function, but also it can also help with lowering blood pressure. Some of the other things we mentioned here, like the flavonoids, which comes from fruits and vegetables. The flavonoids, what they also do is they're getting them wrong. They're high in antioxidants. Antioxidants, what they do is they counteract those free radicals. Free radicals is responsible for things like the blood vessels, calcium that forms near the hardening of the arteries. Also responsible for things like cancer. They're also responsible for things like arthritis, all of those different things. If you know if your blood vessels are thin and getting thinner and thinner, and the heart has to pump harder to push that blood through, and that's what increases blood pressure. This is another one of those things. So, one of the things I want to get you to understand is that there are lots of things out there that we can do to improve our health, and get ourselves off of these prescription drugs and natural health. So if you have any questions out there, leave those questions out there. If you are interested in trying samples, once again, let me know. Leave your telephone number and I will give you a call. This is Jamil Mason signing off with better health and better nutrition. I hope you all have a great day out there and we'll talk